Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Introduce myself. My name is Nazar Gemar Ramadan Suari, and today I would like to explain the material entitled Reporting or Complaining in Indonesia Criminal Procedure of Meeting Act. This topic is important because reporting and complaining are the first step in the criminal justice process. Through this procedure, the police can obtain information about criminal act and take legal action against offenders. According to the Indonesian Criminal Procedure Code, also known as KUHAP, the criminal justice system consists of three levels. The first level is police level. The second level is prosecution level. And the third level is court level or trial process. Before a case can reach the prosecution or court stage, it usually begins with a report complaining submitted to police. Therefore, reporting or complaining plays a very important role in law enforcement. The first, what is a report? For my opinion, basic on Article 1, Paragraph 24 of KUHAP, a report is notification submitted to a competent official by a person who has the legal right or obligation to inform that a criminal event has occurred, is occurring, or is about to occur. In simple words, a report is information given to the police about a suspected crime. A person does not have to be a victim to make a report. Anyone who sees, witnesses, or know about a criminal act can report it to the authority. For example, if someone witnesses a robbery on the street, that person can report the incident to the police even if they are not the victim. And the second, what is a complaint? A complaint is different from a report. According to Article 1, Paragraph 25 of KUHAP, a complaint is a notification given to a competent official accompanied by a request from the injured party that legal action should be taken against the offender. This means that a complaint can only be submitted by the person who suffered harm or damage from the criminal act. In certain criminal offense, legal action can only begin if the victim submits a complaint. These offenses are commonly known as a complaint-based offenses or delik aduan. For example, in someone case of defamation, the authorities can only process the case if the victim personally files a complaint. And third, what difference between a report and complaint? There are several important differences between a report and complaint. First, regarding the person who submitted. A report can be submitted by anyone who knows about a crime. A complaint can only be submitted by the victim or injured party. Second, regarding its purpose. A report aims to inform the authorities about the suspect crime. A complaint is not only inform the authorities but also request legal action against the offender. Third, regarding the type of offense, reports are generally used for ordinary criminal offenses. Complaints are usually required for specific offenses that directly affect the victim. Understanding this difference is important because each procedure has a different legal consequence. So we go for investigator and their authority. The material also explains the role of investigator according to Article 1, Paragraph 1 of KUHAP. An investigator is an official of the Indonesian National Police or a certain civil servant who is legally authorized to conduct investigation. Investigator have the authority to receive report and complaint from the public. After receiving a report or complaining, investigator will examine the fact and determine whether a criminal offense has actually occurred. It's sus- is if sufficient evidence is found. The investigation process will continue according the law. Number 5. Where should we report a crime? If someone wants to report a crime, they can visit the nearest police station. In Indonesia, police jurisdiction is divided into several levels. First, in the National Police headquarters or Mabes Polri, which cover the entire country. Second is the regional police or Polda, which cover provinces. Third is the resort police or Polres, which cover a city or district. Four, four is the sector police or Polsek, which cover a sub-district. For example, if a crime occurred in particular sub-district, a person may report it to the local Polsek. However, they may also report it to Polres, Polda, or even Mabes Polri. Number 6. Procedure for filing a report. When arriving at the police station, the report can submit the report either orally or in writing. The report will then be received by the investigator or authorities officer. According to Article 80 of KUHAP, every person who survives, sees, witnesses, or becomes a victim of a criminal offense has the right to file a report or complaint. After receiving the report, the investigator must provide a receipt or acknowledged letter to the reporter. This document serves as proof that the report has been officially received by the police. Number 7. Police service for the community. The police provides service to the public through an integrated police service center. This service center is responsible for receiving report and complaining, providing assistance, and giving information to the public. The existence of this service demonstrates the commitment of the police to maintain public safety and order. The reporting process is free of charge. Citizens should not be asked to pay any fee when submit a report. If someone requests money during the report process, that person can be reported to the Police Professional and Security Division, commonly known as Propam. Number 8. Report by telephone. Today, report can also be submitted through communication service provided by the police. The material mentioned emergency telephone numbers such as 110 and other communication service that allow people to quickly report crime or emergency situation. These servers are very useful, especially when immediate police assistance is needed. Technology has made it easier for the public communication with law enforcement against and contributes to public safety. And last, number 9. Importance of reporting crimes. Reporting crimes is not only a legal right but also a social responsibility. When citizens report criminal activities, they help the police maintain the security and public order. Without information from the public, many crimes might go unchecked and unpunished. Therefore, cooperation between society and law enforcement is essential for creating a safe and peaceful environment. Every report can contribute to the preventing future crime and protecting the community. That's all I can explain of Meeting 8. I'm sorry for any shortcoming and thank you to Miss Nufus Hayati. Bye. Thank you.